Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm pixieraimua and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get this Black Panther inspired look. Now I decided to go for the black and gold because that is Killmonger's colourings when he has the Black Panther suit on, and I wanted to do Killmonger because Michael B. Jordan. That's all I'm saying. If you don't know who he is, Google him. Now I know this look isn't very wearable either, but yeah, I just wanted to have some fun with it. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram and Vero. I'll just pop my handles down here. It is just pixieraimua everywhere. So this is the first video in my Marvel series, but I will leave link down below all of the other videos as and when I do them, and I will pop a playlist up here once they start being filmed. As usual, all products will be listed down below, but without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so to prime my face today, I'm going to be going in with the Benefit Professional Pearl Primer. Okay, and for foundation today, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. This is in the shade Light Beige. And with my damp beauty blender, I'm just going to blend that all over the face. And to conceal, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in the shade C2. Before we go any further, I just want to show you some brushes that I purchased. I ordered them yesterday and they arrived this morning, so super excited. They just look like this. They came packaged in this gold sort of packaging, and they did have individual covers on them. So this is what brushes look like out of the packet. As you can see, they're all rose gold with like pink, white bristles. They are all synthetic brushes as well. I'll just show you a close-up of one of them. And these brushes are so soft. They're $8.99 as well, so I'll try and find a link and pop it below. So I'm going to use this one actually to just set my whole face. I just used my normal setting powder. I will leave it linked down below. So for today's look, I am going to go quite heavy on the contour. I really want to like sculpt those cheeks to give us quite a harsher sort of look, with it being like feline. I wanted everything to be all like sort of like, and I'm going to take the Hoola bronzer by Benefit, as it is a darker contour colour for me, so I'm hoping to really get those shadows. Bring some colour back into my face, I am going to use some blush. I'm going to take the Rose Gold Blush by Sleek. Now I need to apologise for this pan, it is very well loved. So again, on one of those rose gold brushes, I'm just going to take the blush brush. Okay, so as I'm going to be basing this look on Killmonger's Panther rather than T'Challa's, I'm going in with all the gold colours. So for highlight, I'm going to be going in with a gold highlight. So the only gold highlight I have, because obviously I'm quite pale, I don't normally wear golds, the Soft Dance palette, which if you've been here a long time or just watched more than one of my videos, you will know I absolutely love this palette. I'm a huge fan of Suede. So I'm going to go in with the gold shade. Sorry, bear with me, I just had a little accident. Okay guys, if anything looks any different, I've just knocked everything off cause I sit at my dressing table, so I've just knocked it all off and I don't know if it hit my camera. So if I've moved, or this has moved, I'm really sorry. Okay, so I am going to just take my Real Techniques brush. Okay, so it looks okay on my cheeks. I'm just going to go in with one of the lighter shades. This one here, just on the centre of my face. Okay guys, so as you can see, I've already done my eyebrow. It was just quick to see them off camera. And I've also made them like super arched and super defined. Just again to keep that feline kind of look. Now this look, as you will have seen in the intro, probably not the most wearable of eye looks, but I don't know, I just wanted to do something different and something fun. I'm going to be using the Love Conquers All palette by Makeup Revolution, and I'm going to begin this shade here, and on just a flat little brush again from that Rose Gold collection, I'm going to spray it with my Makeup Revolution setting spray, and I'm going to start placing it into the centre and bringing it straight up. If you are recreating this, I don't know, for like Halloween or something, it doesn't have to be super precise. Okay, so I'm going to do the other eye as well. It doesn't have to be exactly symmetrical, it'll probably look better if it isn't. I'm just going to pop it into the corner. Again, I'm actually just pressing this quite messily. I'm going to go in with this colour. Again, I'm going to go with it on another flat brush, again dampened with the same setting spray, and again I'm just going to start placing it in and around these bits here, just really messily. As you can see, this looks crazy. I'm just going to do the same on the other side, and I also tried to keep it quite winged here. So we are going to do wings eyeliner, just again to keep the feline sort of look to it. I'm just going to take this glitter eyeliner by Stargazer. And I'm just going to start flacking that through the gold that we've already put down. Okay, and then taking a black kohl pencil. This is the Miss Sporty and Magic. I'm just going to line the waterline and the tie line. Okay, and then with my NYX Epic Ink Liner, I'm going to do a winged liner. I'm also going to bring it underneath, under the eye, and bring this into a point, just to get a really feline looking shape to our eyes. Okay, so once I've done that, I'm just going to take the glitter eyeliner again and just place them sort of coming down under the eyes. This neck piece in the film is panther claws, obviously, so I'm going to try and emulate that. And then I'm going to do just a thin coat of mascara before I put some lashes on. So that's the eyelashes on as well. I can't remember which ones they're called, so I will just link them down below. Okay guys, so for the lips, I'm going to go in with the NYX Liquid Suede in the shade Go Rogue. Stargazer again, and I'm actually going to line the lips. So this is the finished Killmonger Black Panther look. I noticed it out there. I just thought it was really fun to do Killmonger instead of T'Challa. The film itself is brilliant and I love Marvel, so I will be continuing with my Marvel series. If you haven't seen it, I really suggest you do. It's brilliant, and what it has done for the superhero genre in general and the current issues, obviously, which I won't go into. I think it's just a really brilliant film, and I just really recommend everybody goes and sees it, whether you like superhero movies or not. Go watch. So if you are liking my channel and you want to see more of these superhero looks, please give us a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below as well and click that notification button. Then you'll be notified every time I post, every time one of these videos comes up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next one. Bye.